A young woman has died mysteriously in the home of BSP MP Dhananjay Singh. The girl was found with injuries on her head, chest, stomach and arms. The MP's wife Jagriti Singh has been held and is being questioned. It's suspected she may have tortured the maid. The police says the cause of death would be determined by a post-mortem to be conducted today. Now, the maid apparently died yesterday morning, but the police were only called in by the evening several hours later. The MP and his wife have apparently filed for divorce and were living separately. Dhananjay Singh claims the girl had fallen from the roof of the house and his wife had called him to tell him that he was in his constituency at the time. But an electrician who worked in the house has also claimed that he was beaten by the MP's wife.
मुझे कल डॉक्टर जागृति ने करीब 9-10 के बीच में, मैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में था, तो फ़ोन किया कि ऐसी घटना हो गई है। जो उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि नौकरानी हमारी गिर के उसको चोट लग गई है और मुझे लगता है उसकी डेथ हो गई। ये उन्होंने मुझे बताया 3 दिन पहले गिरी थी। हाँ, उन्होंने ये मुझे बताया। डेथ की बात सुनी तो मैं सीधे भाग के यहाँ पर
बिजली काम करते हैं। कंप्लेंट आती है तो आते हैं हम, वैसे नहीं आते हम।
तो क्या कब हुआ था आपके साथ?
1 हफ्ता हो गया मेरे साथ।
क्या किस बात पे मारा था? कुछ
बाद में नौकर को पीटे थे। मैं कह रहा नौकर से बात कर रहा, मैं यार इतने पीटते, बस नौकर से बात नहीं। मैं तो बिना नौकर को भड़का रहा है बस।
तो आपको किस तरीके से पीटा गया है?
चप्पल और लात से मारा था मुझे।
क्या किसी ने रोकने की कोशिश की, बचाने?
नहीं, कोई नहीं, किसी ने नहीं करी। ये भी थे सब।
All right, but let's go across to Tornima, who's tracking this case. Tornima, what are the police revealing right now? And Jagriti Singh has been held currently. She's being questioned. She's not been arrested yet.
Right, what the police have done so far is that they have spoken to some of the domestic helps who work in the house, in the residence of Mrs. Jagriti Singh. We are standing in front of the residence right now and we do believe that she's being questioned inside. What the police are telling us at the moment is that there are allegations being made by other domestic helps who used to work in the house of Mrs. Jagriti Singh, alleging that they had also been ill-treated by Mrs. Singh and also beaten up on several occasions. And with this girl who had been working in this house for the past 10 months, she had apparently been tortured several times on. And yesterday in the morning, she had been taken to the hospital where she had been declared dead. And later, much later in the evening, the police got to know, and now it's not exactly clear whether anyone in the house had also called up the police. But what some of our sources were telling us is that they had been informed by the hospital that there could be some foul play involved in the death of this woman, which is why they had called the cops to take a look at her. And right after that, the police, of course, went on to register a case regarding the death, and they are going to conduct the post-mortem later today, as you were mentioning. That would give out more details about the nature of injuries that this woman had sustained, which led to her death. But at the moment, their main suspect is one and only Mrs. Jagriti Singh. There's nobody else that they're suspecting at the moment, though they have also detained some other domestic helps who have provided some clues as well to the police, but they are not saying that that they are also above suspicion. They have all been detained, but at the moment their main suspect is Mrs. Jagriti Singh, who is being questioned by the police.